What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. All right, guys, listen, we have just wrapped up another incredible week in the markets. Now, to start off this video, guys, you guys let me know down in the comment section how you got on this week just gone. What moves did you make? What were you looking at? I want to hear what you guys were up to. But that being said, I want to start off this video, guys, by giving you all some inspiration before we kick off the next week in the markets. Okay, I want to show you guys what is achievable in these markets if you are active and if you are prepared to get stuck in. Okay, check it out on screen. This is how my week went. All right, so $28,348 was made on the trade that I entered into this week just gone in the markets. Okay, guys, so there is no reason why you guys somewhere down in your journey you can't achieve these types of returns. Okay, multiple 5 figures. That is all in your destiny. That is all in your future because you guys are all tapped in. But you guys already know, if I'm winning, best believe the team is winning. All right, so check it out. More importantly, Man Ali over at the Patreon absolutely smashed it with our plays. 35% on one of the plays, 60% on another plays, 145% on another one of our plays. All right, so absolutely crushed it. Again, no reason why you watching me, you shouldn't be achieving these types of returns on a consistent basis, building your empire, building your wealth, right? Doesn't stop there. We got Lee over the Patreon, absolutely smashed this week, 76% profit. Again, continue to go forward. Suave, 123%, guys. I'm ensuring that the members have the best 2025 of their entire lives, and I want you guys to have the best 2025 of your entire lives as well. You guys already know, as we get prepared for this next week, we're coming with high energy, we're coming with intensity, and we are coming with intent to do what we do best, and that's make a lot of money from the markets. And there's nothing more I like seeing than the team winning. All right, guys. Shout out to my guy Debo Lewis over the Patreon. Listen, I built this channel to showcase the success of you guys, all right? To show your journey, show your momentum, and show the world what is possible in the markets. Absolutely crushed it. Over $500, guys. I can go on for hours about how the team's done this week, but we got to crack on with today's content. That being said, if you haven't already, guys, make sure you're with us. Make sure you are with the guys, with the team over the Patreon for this week coming, okay? Because we are looking to do what we always do, and that is raking a lot of cash from the markets. And I want all of you guys to achieve this. I want all of you guys to be in a position where you can change your circumstances with the power of the markets, right, guys? So as we get ready for the week coming up, in this video, I want to show you guys what I am looking at, all right, and how I am looking to play the markets. All right, this will give you guys some structure, give you guys some blueprint, give you guys a bit of coordination for the market for the week coming up. All right, and I'll show you guys the numbers, and I'll show you guys the success, but it all starts with the preparation. All right, guys, so check it out with me. We have Robinhood. All right, let's just take a look how this thing performed on the week. Okay, you can see relatively steady this week. Basically started the week at 39, basically ended the week at $39. Now we have come into what we call a area of resistance. Okay, so this is going to be a situation where we need some energy, we need some momentum to push this thing higher. Now, when it comes to Robinhood, I like it because, one, the options are super cheap, and all of you guys should know that to get into the options market, right, to make these moves in the options market, to take advantage of when prices go lower, to take advantage of when prices go higher, it's the options market that is going to put you in a position to do that. Now, we are looking for how this thing performs around this $40 level, okay? Conveniently, it stopped at about $40 in the last session. So we want to see, okay, does this thing have what it takes to get above $40? If it does have what it takes to get above $40, all right, that is the first sign that call options can be the go. Okay, so I want to see how this performs. If it struggles around $40, then we know the market's not done. We know this thing can go lower. Okay, guys, as you know, we are blessed because we can make a lot of money if the market moves lower. We can make a lot of money if the market moves higher, right? So that's how we're looking. That's how we're positioned on this one. We want to see how it moves and how it responds come Monday around this $40 level of resistance. All right, guys, there's a couple other names that we want to go ahead and discuss. Take a look at Nvidia. All right, take a look at the weekly chart. What can you guys see? You can see that this thing has made a series of higher highs and higher lows, and is now starting to showcase a little bit of energy, starting to showcase a little bit of momentum, right? And this could be a sign for things to come. Take a look at the 1 month. All right, we can see that this thing is starting to create what we call a bottoming out pattern. All right, we saw it sliding over the last couple of weeks, and now we've seen a bit of a reversal in structure. What we are looking for is we want to see how this thing holds up, how this thing performs around that $116 level. All right, we might get a little bit of weakness to start the week, which would make sense. All right, if we're closing this week off strong, we know the market's been a bit on shaky grounds. We get a little bit of weakness come Monday. Let's see how this thing operates. Let's see how this thing performs at around $116. Okay, this thing holds up nice and firm, $116 for a couple of days. The likelihood is they shoot this thing towards $130. Guys, that is a lot of money to be made on this name. Again, utilizing call options, right? We are using the options market. Why? Because we want to make returns of 100%, 125%, right? And that is how we do it. That's the vehicle to do it. So Nvidia is going to be high up on our list of names that we are keeping a close eye on for next week. Take a look at ARKK, right? Look what they've done this week. Again, same thing with Hood, okay? They started the week around $50, closed the week around $50, right? Yes, there was a little bit of variability during the week. Shot this thing down towards 47, shot it back up. But you noticed it never crossed above $50 this week, just gone. Now, if on Monday we get a supercharged green day and we get this thing moving into the 50s, comfortably into the 50s, they're going to continue to send this higher. You're going to get what we call multi-green day run, and that gives us all an opportunity to get involved on call options to ride the momentum, ride the wave. All right, to make money in the markets, you've got to be dynamic. You got to be ready to enter into the put options like we were this week. You got to be ready to enter into the call options like we may be getting geared up to do next week. But again, we want to see how we perform on Monday. All right, usually Mondays are the days where I keep a close eye on the markets, see how things are performing at these levels of interest, because that gives us a clear indication of what is going to take place on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, where we can reap the rewards. Okay, only fools jump into the market straight away on Monday. All right, those who are experienced in the game, they see how things play out on Monday, because Monday you get a lot of noise, right? That's a key thing. You get a lot of noise, you get a lot of false moves, and if you're able to see through the noise and through that, you can get prepared to make some really, really interesting and profitable moves. Okay, guys, so listen, those are a couple of names that we are keeping a close eye on next week, all right, to do incredible things. This week, we absolutely smashed over the put options. Next week, we may be getting geared up to take advantage of the call options, all right? And then through the call options, we can go ahead and make the 80, 90, 100% return moves. All right, guys, listen, I want all of you guys in the Patreon to get ready for this week. Just gone. Listen, we've just gone back to back to back, 3 trades in a row: SOXL, Mara, Uber, and we're getting prepared for the next one. All right, I want to be celebrating your success in the next video, as I always like to do, guys. This is an incredible journey you're all on, incredible momentum that we have built. And listen, we're looking to do it all over again, and I'm excited to catch all of you guys on the next one. All right, guys, drop down your comments below, and I'll see all of you guys next time.